YouTube Shorts video, Tony Seafood. Those of y'all not from Louisiana, you might not know about Tony Seafood. Tony Seafood got some of the best seafood around. So you get some Louisiana fresh shrimp, crawfish, whatever you're looking for over here. Catfish alive, everything. Getting in line right now. We're gonna get some good seafood here. We're gonna show y'all in a few minutes. Boudin balls. Yeah, I was right here. So I'm gonna dig into this. As you can see, garlic bread, dirty rice, etouffee, catfish, and greens. That's Tony Seafood, Baton Rouge, Louisiana.